Hey there, crypto investors. Are you tired of simply holding Bitcoin and waiting for its value to rise? Are you looking for a more proactive way to earn passive income in the crypto market? Well, look no further than the CryptoSea trading bot. With its advanced AI algorithm, you can automatically analyze the crypto market and find profitable Bitcoin trading opportunities. And the best part, you don't need any trading experience to get started. In this video, we'll be diving into the details of the CryptoSea trading bot and how it can help you maximize your crypto passive income. What is crypto passive income? Crypto passive income refers to generating regular income from cryptocurrency investments without actively trading or managing them. This can be achieved through various methods such as staking, lending, or providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges. The goal is to earn a steady stream of income while holding onto the underlying cryptocurrency asset. How you can get crypto passive income with AI trading bot. One way to maximize returns on crypto passive income is to use an AI trading bot. An AI trading bot is a software program that uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze market data and execute trades automatically. By leveraging AI, traders can take advantage of market trends and make informed decisions quickly and efficiently, potentially generating higher returns than traditional trading methods. How does it work? The AI trading bot works by first collecting and analyzing data from various sources, such as price charts, news articles, and social media posts, to identify market trends and patterns. Based on this analysis, the bot generates signals that trigger automated trades based on predefined trading strategies. Benefits of using an AI trading bot. One of the main benefits of using an AI trading bot is that it can operate 24/7 without requiring human intervention, allowing traders to take advantage of market opportunities around the clock. Additionally, the bot can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, making it more efficient and potentially more profitable than manual trading. Finally, by removing the emotional and psychological factors that can affect human decision-making, AI trading bots can make more objective and rational decisions. Now we are going to introduce you to the best AI trading bot currently available on the market, and it is called CryptoSea. Overview of the CryptoSea trading bot. The CryptoSea trading bot is an advanced AI algorithm designed, tested, and perfected by crypto experts and financial engineers. It automatically analyzes the crypto market and finds profitable Bitcoin trading opportunities. The best part? You don't need any trading experience to get started. With the CryptoSea trading bot, you can start earning passive income in the crypto market without any effort. The bot uses the same knowledge and strategies professional traders use, so you can be sure you're getting the best insights and advice. What makes CryptoSea different? What sets the CryptoSea trading bot apart from other bots in the market? For one, it's successful in bear or sideways markets, not just bull markets. This is due to its unique strategy and trading algorithm, which differs from those used by other bots. Additionally, CryptoSea has the best risk-reward ratio and is focused on being profitable in the long run. This means that you can trust the bot to consistently make smart trading decisions and earn you passive income over time. Specifications of the CryptoSea trading bot. So, how exactly does the CryptoSea trading bot work? The algorithm used by CryptoSea is a self-adaptable combination of 3 strategies that are weighted and averaged together according to proprietary volatility metrics. This ensures that the bot is always making smart trading decisions based on the current market conditions. Additionally, the bot uses indicators such as the Fear and Greed Index to give supplementary information about the trend. The analysis is performed on different time frames in order to detect longer and shorter trends. All of these factors are carefully selected, taking into account practical trading aspects like trading fees, slippage, and order book liquidity. Results of the CryptoSea trading bot. Now, let's talk about the actual results of the CryptoSea trading bot. The bot has been backtested since 2018 and generates up to 70% passive income on a yearly basis. Of course, this can be higher with the compounding effect. And unlike simply holding Bitcoin, the CryptoSea trading bot has consistently outperformed Bitcoin over the last 6 months by 22%. Plus, with over 10,000 users already using the bot, it's clear that the CryptoSea trading bot is a popular and effective way to earn passive income in the crypto market. Benefits of the CryptoSea trading bot. Automation. With CryptoSea, all trades are opened and closed automatically. You don't need to spend any time, effort, or research. Our bot will take a tactical exit at the right time, based on different parameters triggered. This makes it a perfect fit for those who want to earn passive income without the hassle of constantly monitoring the market. Security. One of the most significant concerns when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency is security. With CryptoSea, Your funds are always secure. Our bot does not store or hold any of your funds. You are in full control of your balance, as it is stored and secured by the third-party exchange platform. Always up to date. The market behavior changes over time, and because of that, we're updating the algorithm every quarter, if needed. Our world-class developers are constantly analyzing the algorithmic script to improve its performance, so it is not set and forget, but analyze and optimize. Low risk. CryptoSea is not a quick get-rich scheme, but a long-term investment. This is because our bot uses a risk-adjusted strategy that aims to provide consistent profits over time. We advise our customers to compare their results quarterly, as this will give a more optimistic view of the performance. In conclusion, the CryptoSea bot is an excellent option for those looking to earn passive income from the cryptocurrency market. With its advanced AI algorithm and unique trading strategy, CryptoSea has the potential to outperform Bitcoin and provide consistent profits over the long run. Additionally, with its automated trading features, users can sit back and watch as their investments grow without any hassle. So, if you are looking to invest in cryptocurrency and want to earn passive income, the CryptoSea bot is definitely worth checking out. And that's a wrap for today's video on crypto tips and tricks. If you found this information helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And don't forget, if you're looking to get some great discounts on CryptoSea, check out the link in the description below. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you soon with more exciting updates and insights on the world of crypto.